Alright guys, this is gonna be flight 3. Flight 3. Chill day 2. Day that my GoPro battery went out on me at the beginning. So trying to get flights in while I can before storms move into northern Illinois. Alright, last guys, this is chill day for me. Just having fun, like you should be doing with RC hobby. Don't take it too serious, or you know, I'm not trying to sell you anything. This is a channel for RC Camaraderie. Everything is bought by me. If I comment on something, it's because I just want you as a fellow consumer to know about what I'm experiencing. And these winds are really picking up. Alright, I gotta be able to fly in this. This is flight 3. Jeez. Okay. This is challenging. Alright, let's do it. Woo! AS3X Plus is running on this plane, guys. And this gust just wants to take the plane. Alright, let's do a touch and go. In a way, the wind's helping me slow down, that's for sure. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Punch out, baby, punch out. I am not going to try going in between those trees. It is really gusting, but maybe it'll help me with some high alphas or touch and goes. Let's see what I get. High alpha right now. Woo! Oh man, whew. Man, is it gusty. All right, let's go again. Try to do some high alphas here. For you, bro. One minute left. Woo! Man, the wind wants to take her. Woo! Great balls of fire. All right, let's do one more, okay? One more. Bring it around. "30 seconds. Tail whip, military brake." Let's bring her in. Bring her in, bring her in. Line it up with the runway here. Braking. Woo! Oh my god. That is just too awesome. It is fun, guys. All right, that was flight 3. We'll do a battery check in a second. Let him do his traditional victory lap. Throttle cut is on. Train's passing by way in the distance over there. I don't know if you guys can see it on GoPro. All right, cut the mains, cut the afterburner, use a balance lead. Let's check out what we got here. What we got? We got 30%, fellas. 30%, and I got how much? Well, you guys could take a look yourself on the video how long that flight was. Okay, so we'll go again, but that's the end of this flight. Flight 3, guys. RC Hobbies and more. Every day is a gift.